Hey, what's up, guys? This is Teacher with the Kid back with another math video. Today we're going to talk about writing the equation in slope-intercept form with the given information, slope, and the y-intercept. After that, we're going to graph it. So here, the given information we have is m is -4 and b is 3. So when we're talking about slope-intercept form, we're looking at y equals mx plus b, and we're going to fill in the given information. So you have y is equal to, m is equal to -4. So I'm going to place this in parentheses to let you know that's what I'm replacing the m for. And then we're going to put 3 in parentheses because that's what I'm replacing the b for. Now, you do not have to write all this just like that. You can go straight into writing -4x plus 3. But the reason why I do that is because sometimes we get confused here and we don't understand the math behind what we did. So you have -4 times x, which gives us -4x, and then you have this 3, which is plus 3. So now we have everything that we need. We know that the slope is m equals to -4 over 1, and then the y-intercept is b equals to 3, which looks like this when you get ready to graph it, that 0.03. So we're going to go over here to our graph. Start at 0, 0. The y-intercept is 0, 3, so we're going to go up 3 units, 1, 2, 3. And from there, we're going to go down 4 because our rise is a -4, and it's going to go into the, it's going down, which is in the negative direction where the numbers are beginning to be negative. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right once. Once you do that, you're going to connect the 2 points. My line just definitely was not perfect, but you're going to connect the 2 points and you're going to draw the line. This is the line for that equation. These 2 points, if you go back and you want to check it for some reason, you can look at these 2 points that you have plotted on the actual line and find the slope, and you should come back with -4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment box. If you're in my class, just hit me up on Google Classroom or on Google Voice. Thanks once again. This is Teacher with a Kid, and I'm signing out.